So some of the best feedback we get from our clients is regarding our processes, right from when you pick up the phone initially, right until we sign off the project at the end. So I want to talk to you today a little bit about our processes. So this video is going to be condensed because our processes are vast. However, I wanted to give you a few snippets just so you're in the loop of how we work. So you'll pick up the phone to us and you'll get through to our quotes team. The quotes team then book in an initial meeting with me. I'll come out and see you and we'll drum up loads of ideas for your project. Then you'll get a really detailed estimate off the back of that. If the estimate works, which it generally does, we'll then pop out again with an architect and start getting some plans done. This is the exciting bit. This is where we can do 2 or 3 different schemes. We can really run through ideas. And at that point, we can do another cost check before it goes into planning. So we really appreciate that starting a building project is super difficult and you don't really know where to start. So we try to hold your hand through the complete process. So what that means is we will handle the architects, we'll handle the structural engineers, we'll speak to build and control, and it'll be one-stop shop for absolutely everything. And our feedback from our clients regarding this is exceptional because it really does take the stress out of the project. So we've got your plans done. The next bit is to start building. Now this is the fun bit, the daunting bit, but the fun bit. So we would then come over, we'll do a pre-site meeting 3 weeks before you start, and we'd go through absolutely every detail. Now on there's about 40 items, but don't let that scare you because some of them are just regarding skip locations, etc. But some of it will be more in detail stuff, which is like your decisions you still have to make. So largely when you start a project, you still have a few decisions to make, and it might be your kitchen worktops, it might be your floor finish, and it might be your decoration colours. Now we have specialists in this that can really help you all the way through that process, or if you've got a keen eye for detail, you might just want to go solo, and then we would just build it to exactly how you want it. So how long does a project take, I hear you ask? So let me help you with that. We do a really detailed work schedule that will tell you the start of the project and the finish of the project. So you'll have a good date to be able to start thinking about moving in. Throughout that schedule, first and foremost, there'll be some critical decisions that we'll need, and there'll be things like kitchens, there'll be things like when your steels are going in. So what we try and do if there's a big extension on the back of a property is we will try and keep you in your home for as long as possible. So we'll build the whole entire extension, then we'll say to you guys, right, on this date we're going to come through and we're going to do the knock through. At that point, it either gets really dusty for you or you're abroad. It's the end of your project and we're now walking around your amazing new space. Will there be snags? Probably. Will we sort them? Definitely. We strive for 100%, but you know that's not real life. Anyway, at the end of the project, I'd then come and meet you again for one final sign off. I'd give you some wine and flowers, you'd give me a good review, and that's how it works.